Hey there, fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Today we will explore some of the most innovative and essential gear for anyone who loves to venture into the wild. From state-of-the-art survival kits and compact emergency shelters to innovative water filtration and renewable energy solutions, we have the rundown on the gear that will elevate your outdoor experience. Whether prepping for an emergency or planning your next hiking trip, these items are engineered to enhance your survivability and comfort in the great outdoors. The Survival Kit Tool. 14-in-1 is the perfect gift for men, including dads, husbands, boyfriends, or anyone who loves the great outdoors. This all-encompassing kit is essential for any survivalist or outdoor enthusiast, packing 14 tools crucial for various emergencies and outdoor activities. Items in the kit include a wire saw, an emergency blanket, a flintstone scraper, a flashlight, a credit card tool, a compass, all housed in a waterproof and shockproof box. Despite its comprehensive contents, the kit is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, fishing expeditions, or any adventure. It's not just a handy set of tools, but also a thoughtful way to show love and appreciation to the adventurers in your life. To further complement this multi-purpose set, the Wayland Survival Kit emerges as an essential item for anyone interested in outdoor activities or being prepared in emergency situations. It's a compact package that makes carrying easy, but still offers everything you might need to help in different circumstances. Inside, you'll commonly find tools like a cutting instrument, a tool to start a fire, something for navigation, and a blanket designed for emergencies. The kit is designed for reliability and convenience, perfect for outdoor lovers or people who want peace of mind in being ready for any circumstance. Not to be overlooked, the survival camping knife stands out as an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast, hiker, or camper, ensuring that the most common needs in the wilderness are addressed. It's designed to be versatile, durable, and reliable in various situations. Such knives usually feature a sturdy blade that can cut, slice, and pierce effectively, making them handy for meal prep, first aid, making shelter, or even self-defense in the wild. They often come with additional features like a fire starter, a built-in compass, or a serrated edge for sawing. Compact and lightweight, a survival knife fits easily into your backpack or on your belt, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it most. Whether navigating through the wilderness or facing an unexpected situation, having a survival knife can make a huge difference in your outdoor adventures. For those unforeseen overnight stays in the elements, the S.O.L 90% Reflective Emergency Bivvy offers a compact and lightweight emergency shelter designed to keep you warm and safe in challenging conditions. Measuring 84 by 36 inches, it's large enough to cover an adult comfortably. Despite its ample size, it weighs only about 3.8 ounces, making it easy to carry on any adventure without adding significant weight to your gear. This bivvy is exceptional at reflecting 90% of your body heat back to you, thanks to its special material. This feature helps prevent heat loss and keeps you warm. Its design includes sealed seams and materials that are both waterproof and windproof, ensuring you stay dry and protected against the elements. Moreover, the material is tear-resistant and won't easily rip if punctured, making it durable for multiple uses. It can serve as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket, providing a reliable layer of warmth. The bright orange exterior makes it highly visible in adverse weather conditions, aiding rescuers or companions in locating you easily. It comes with a nylon stuff sack, allowing for convenient storage and transport. This emergency bivvy is an essential item for anyone venturing into the outdoors, providing crucial protection when you need it the most. When it's time to ignite a fire for warmth or cooking, the Surviveware Survival Fire Starter proves itself as an exceptional tool designed for outdoor and survival situations, delivering the spark necessary for survival. The fire starter comes with a robust magnesium rod that is noteworthy for its durability. It promises up to 12,000 strikes, providing reliable long-term use. Distinctive features include an emergency whistle that's been tested and proven to function well, a crucial asset during emergencies to attract attention. A paracord handle enhances its utility, adding valuable functionality in survival contexts beyond starting fires. Its length is designed for efficiency, offering more spark per strike with minimum effort, which is critical in time-sensitive situations. This fire starter isn't limited to emergencies. It's perfect for igniting camp stoves, barbecue grills, or fireplaces. And it can be educational and fun for children to learn to use. With the importance of hydration never being overstated, The Platypus Quick Draw microfilter system stands as an ultralight and compact water filtering innovation, ensuring clean water is always within reach. It fits almost anywhere, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, and hiking. The system features a wide mouth for quick and easy filling from any water source. The flow rate is impressive. When used in a gravity filter setup, it purifies 1.75 liters of water per minute. It's user-friendly, requiring no tools to clean. A simple shake or backflush removes debris and restores the flow rate. The filter effectively removes 99.9% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa from water, exceeding stringent NSF and EPA 231 protocols. The range includes a 1-liter reservoir and the microfilter itself. With an advanced layer film technology and a user-friendly design, Platypus Quick Draw makes access to clean water easy and efficient during your outdoor adventures. For those who find themselves amidst waves and tides, the MARCHWAY floating waterproof dry bag is a must-have for anyone who loves water sports, camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where keeping items dry is crucial. This bag is made from a highly durable and waterproof material that ensures your belongings remain dry and safe, even in wet conditions. It comes in various sizes, allowing you to choose one that best fits your needs, whether you're packing a small camera, clothes, or even larger items. One of the standout features of this dry bag is its ability to float on water, providing extra peace of mind if it accidentally falls out of a boat or kayak. The roll-top closure system is simple yet effective. Roll it down tightly 3 to 4 times and snap the buckle together to seal everything securely. The bag is also designed with versatility in mind, featuring a strap for easy carrying or attachment to other gear. Its vibrant colors increase visibility, which is especially useful in emergency situations or when quickly locating your gear is necessary. Whether you're embarking on a river rafting adventure, heading to a beach, or trekking through rain-soaked trails, the MARCHWAY floating waterproof dry bag is an excellent companion to keep your essentials protected from water. Taking shelter seriously, the Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter by Go Time Gear is a compact, weatherproof shelter designed to fit 2 people comfortably, making it a beacon of safety in times of need. It's made from high-strength polyester mylar, known for its tear and puncture resistance. This material reflects 90% of your body heat, helping maintain warmth in various weather conditions, including wind, rain, and snow. Despite its substantial features, this tent is impressively lightweight and compact, making it very portable. It can be set up quickly between trees or used as an emergency sleeping bag if needed. It also includes a 120 decibel whistle, loud enough to alert potential rescuers up to a mile away. A durable drawstring that can be used to tie down or repair gear is also included. This life tent can be a crucial part of any survival kit, whether for hiking, camping, or emergencies. In situations when organization is as important as the gear itself, the Rapid Rope Orange Canister is an innovative product designed to solve the common problem of tangled or inaccessible rope when you need it most. This canister houses a long of strong, durable rope that is easily dispensed when necessary, ensuring you can access the length you need without any hassle. The rope is specially designed for versatility and strength, making it suitable for a wide range of uses, from camping and hiking to emergency situations or even everyday tasks around the home or garden. The canister itself is compact, durable, and designed with portability in mind. It's bright orange for high visibility, so you can easily find it when you need it. The design also includes a cutting tool, ensuring you can cut the rope to your desired length without needing to search for scissors or a knife. Whether you're securing gear, setting up a campsite, or need an emergency tether, the Rapid Rope Canister provides a practical and efficient solution. Lastly, for eco-conscious adventurers who need to stay powered up, the solar power bank is an eco-friendly solution that ensures that your power needs are met while camping, hiking, or during emergencies, shining a light on the power of renewable energy. Harnessing the power of the sun, it allows you to charge your electronic devices on the go. The power bank comes with integrated solar panels that recharge the battery under sunlight, a feature particularly handy for outdoor enthusiasts and those living in power outage-prone regions. This power bank is also equipped with USB ports, letting you charge multiple devices at once, such as smartphones, tablets, or camping lights. Lightweight yet robust, it has a durable design that stands up to rugged conditions and harsh outdoor environments. The bank also includes an LED light, which is useful as an emergency flashlight or when you're out at night. With the solar power bank, you can truly enter the world of green energy and independence from conventional charging sources. And there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from the indestructible survival kit tool 14-in-1 to the eco-friendly solar power bank, ensuring you're well equipped for any situation Mother Nature throws your way. We hope you found this guide informative and that it helps you make the best informed decisions for your outdoor gear. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Your input is incredibly valuable, so feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. Interested in these products? Check the links in the description for more information. Your support helps us create more engaging content. As always, play safe, respect nature, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.